Hello and welcome to this second Colayla video about Sems, the Colayer semantic objects. You can think of Sems like Lego blocks. So Sems are the basic building blocks of Colayer, which any page, any website is made out of, and every feature and any functionality in Colayer is built into Sems. So a Sem is somewhere in complexity between a programming object and a web page. So many programming objects make one Sem, but on the other side a web page is usually made out of multiple Sems. So as an example, let's have a look at our sandbox. This sandbox is the Sem Davos underscore Colayla. So it's a Sem of the kind Davos and the ID Colayla. Together, Davos underscore Colayla, this is the layer ID, so this is an ID which is unique on the layer colayla.org. But this is not the only thing. We see two more Sems here, two layer Sems. We have created here two layers. This is one, this is the second. And when we go with the mouse over here, you see in the status bar on the bottom left, layer underscore 9e and layer underscore 9d as the two IDs of these two layers, the two layer IDs. But let's go back to the layer which we created in the last video. And you see here we have already created a Sem in the last video. A Sem of the kind fun, a fun kind of a Sem, fun underscore hello. So let's create next an HTML Sem. So let's make a news page, a page where we can add news. Let's make HTML underscore news. Now when we go to that .org HTML news, when we go to this, it's telling us empty because there is nothing yet. So let's edit this HTML news, and let's not use Colayla this time, let's only use text and HTML. Let's make a title, a red title, latest news. And when we submit that form, then we see HTML news has now this title. Now we need a link to add news. We need a link to add news. So we edit this again. And we add a link, add news. So what should this link do? href is equal to, it should do something, it should get a form. So get us a form, and a form of what? Well, a form to create a news. So that's our link to create news. And when we see that, now there is a link to create news. If we click on this, it tells us no temple found. And what is a temple and how to create news we will see in the next video.